Hi guys, good morning. How are you? Oh yeah, just an update. We just came back last night, and then I wish you to see this one. Um, for my fry, I think we can determine who is the female and the male for this one. Like this one, like this. Wait, I think you can see. Okay, I think this one is a male because you can see on his fins, it has a red color. So basically, if has red color, it's male. And for this one, I don't know, this one, you don't see any color at all. So I think this one is a female version. This one is a male also. So all in my first batch, 5 healthy fry, 1 female and 4 males. I think that's it.